it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another day of decluttering. We are going to work on organizing and decluttering throughout October, and I made this cute printable, and it is a Crafty Declutter Bingo, and I don't know if we will get all the things decluttered. Because I don't want you to get overwhelmed. I want you to take it 10 minutes at a time. So try to dedicate at least just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes a day to decluttering. Just pick one and focus on that. If you have more time after 10 minutes, because some of these may not even pertain to you, and some of these you may have already have decluttered, or you don't have a very large amount. Today I'm going to do washi, but I don't have a lot of washi, so I may declutter something else. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes, and we are going to work together. Get up, go in your craft room, watch this video, turn it on, and we will work together. If you want this printable, it is over in my Facebook group, in the files. And if you're not on Facebook and you would still like this printable, you can send me a message, an email with all the infos below. The Facebook group links will be in the description below, and I will send you this to play along. I am by no means an organizing or decluttering expert. I just do what works for me, and I would just like to bring y'all along for it. So let's get busy. I am going to get my timer up, and I am going to flip the camera around, and we will work. Okay. So, this is how I have my washi set up. As you can tell, I don't have a lot. And this is just a Keurig, a K-cup holder. It's metal. That's why it has the little rails. But I found this at a thrift store, and I didn't originally know that's what it was whenever I bought it. But it works perfect for what I'm using it for, and I always get it off track, and then it won't go back in. I normally don't pull it out this far, but okay, so I'll just hold it so it don't flip off. But I just have it on my bookshelf with my other stuff. Sorry for the mess. Like I said, I am doing this along with y'all. I'm working on decluttering my room and organizing. And I have a box here for donation. This is just stuff that I've been slowly finding here and there that before I even started the series. I threw them in this box. So I have this. I have these. I still want to keep them. I got these from the swap over on Ginger's Corner. These were sent to me, and I've used a little bit of them, but they're really pretty. But we all have that washi tape that it's not sticky anymore, or like I got these off Amazon a long time ago, when washi was first becoming popular. I don't even know where the end is, but they stay sticky. Like once you pull it, see, whenever you pull it off, this part's still sticky. So I don't think I'm gonna keep ones like this. Actually, my whole washi, I don't use them much except for like taping to swaps or things like that. And I use the envelopes now, so even then, I don't really use a lot of washi. So most of this can probably go, if I'm being honest. I just don't use it. And like I said, a lot of these I bought in bulk packages off of Amazon way back in the day, thinking it was a great concept, but I really don't use them. So, I have my timer over here, and I'm going to set it for 10 minutes, and we are just going to work. So, don't overthink it. If you've had it and you haven't used it, and you don't even really care, I saw something online and it has changed everything. So, like, do you love it enough? If it had poop on it, would you throw it away or wash it off? So, with that in mind, as gross as that sounds, do you love it that much that you would wash it off and keep it? A lot of the answer for this is no. So, okay, I'm going to set the timer and we're going to get busy. So don't overthink it. If you're not using it, if it's not sticky, if it's not whatever, and you're not going to use it, just let it go. Donate to someone else. Even the patterns, some of them's patterns I just don't love. So I'm going to hit the timer. Okay, the timer's running for 10 minutes. Like I said, this one's going to go. Probably most of all of these are going to go. See, this one's still brand new. And I wonder if it's sticky like that too. These ones were gifted to me. They're still pretty good. I'll keep these two. All of these I think can go. I just want to check them for real quick. Like I said, don't overthink it. Oh yeah, see, this one's just shredding up, just pulling it. So those can go. I'm not going to waste my time and effort. I have went through and tried to use some of this washi, and like you just saw, it tends to rip up really bad. I don't know about these. They're from Want to Scrap. Someone gifted me those. I haven't used them, so let's see about this one. It's okay, I guess. It's a new roll. Okay, some of these I did buy. I bought these at like Dollar Tree, and they're still sticky, and I like to use them on swaps, so I will keep them. These were some specialty ones. Let's see. Okay, yeah, these are still good. I'll keep these ones. That's special, and they're purple. Okay, this one can go. It has wells or something on it, and I don't do beach stuff, so I'm definitely not going to use that one. I love these thin ones. Like, I buy the thin ones so much, y'all, but I don't use them. Like, when I go to grab something, I always grab for the wider ones to tape stuff, but I really need to use the thin ones on a layout. So, don't overthink it. Don't worry about organizing it. Organizing is going to come later. All we're doing is just cleaning out. Okay, that one's good. That one can go. I don't know about this one. I don't really care for the pattern on it. This one's a brand new one too. Let's see if it's sticky or not. Oh yeah, I don't like it. It's like paper. That one's like the plastic. It's like a plastic tape. Okay, I do use that one sometimes. These ones are supposed to be lace top ones. And I think someone gifted me a whole thing. But, oh, okay. I might keep them. You can see it has a little pattern. It's the first time I even looked at them. And they seem to be pretty good. So, this one's pretty good. I'll keep it. I use that one for mail and that one for mail. And then I use this one for mail. These are Dollar Tree ones. I actually like the Dollar Tree ones. They seem to be pretty good. I mean, they stick and all those things. Okay, I know all of those can go in those. Here's another one. This one's Scotch washi tape, but it has donuts. I haven't even used it, but I guess I'll keep it. I might use it. Okay, these I'm definitely keeping. These are part of my Vicky Booten ones. This is actually another one of them, and this one, I'm going to keep those small ones. This one's so pretty. I love it. What is this? Oh yeah, this one's going. It's Christmas. Apparently it has bears on it. I've never used it. I probably never will. And I don't like the fact that it rips like that. Whenever you're trying to pull it off, it becomes annoying. And I ain't got the time or patience for that. Okay. I think these are good. This one. These can go. Oh yeah, this one's really sticky. Like it has cat hair stuck to it. Ugh. And I will go through and clear out what like is good enough for donation versus what's just trash. And you could do that to start with. But like I said, I'm just going through and trying to clear out really fast. To just get it decluttered. Clean out my spaces so I can organize and be more productive. Oh yeah, this one's sticky. Okay, it's going. Okay, that one can go. This looks different. I think this is the tape that has a tape on it. I think this is like double-sided or something. Yeah, I think you pull the paper off. So, I'll keep this one for now. And this one, it goes with this one. Here's another want to scrap. I really should open one of those. I'm keeping that one. I like it. I like dots. Keeping that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. That one goes to my simple stories. Here's a roll of ribbon, and I'm not going to use it. I put it in here because I had a bunch of those small ribbons, and I was thinking, well, I'll move it there and use it, but I really didn't. Okay, this one's still sticky. We have 3.5 minutes left. That one can go. Let's see. Keeping that one for sure. Keeping those. All of those can go. I bought I have so many of these glitter ones that I said I got off of Amazon because I bought like a bulk pack that came in like rainbow colors. I think it had like, I don't know, 50 rolls or something in it. And these are my Christmas ones. And so that's why I have so many of these. I didn't buy them like individually just to throw them out. These are Dollar Tree ones that I like. My simple stories. I bought that one and that one and this one. Okay. So, whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. So, this is what we're left with. This is what's getting donated down here. So, I think that's pretty good. And we still have 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. I'm going to pause it. And I'm going to flip the camera. And I'm going to work on my adhesive bin and clear it out. Because I don't have a lot. I have it in an iris case. So, it'll be easy to go through. I'll be right back. I got to move the camera. Okay. I've got it switched back around. Now, this is how I store my adhesive. I have a Pip too. As you can see, he's in the way. He's trying to look through the plastic. Okay, Pip, I have to put the lid down, buddy. Okay, so I have all these like dots. I have glues, tapes, all that stuff. A lot of this stuff is old. So I am going to restart the timer, and I'm just going to work on this until the timer ends and call it good. Because the thing is not to clean, not to organize, but just to declutter the thing. So don't dump everything out. Just reach in and pick out what you know you don't want, what isn't good, trash, etc. Now, if you have a bigger collection, then this may take you longer than 10 minutes, and that's fine. But don't get burned out. Just try to focus on 10 minutes. It's easier if you do it in small amounts of time. Okay. I don't need your help, Pip. So I'm going to restart our timer. It has 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. Okay, so our timer's running. So I know I'm not going to use these. I bought them, but they are not sticky. And so in order to use them, I still have to add glue. These are really old, that came from somewhere. I mean, they're yellowed. They're so old. And they're not really sticky either. I'm going to let those go. I'm going to let all these go. These are really old. Like, I don't know. I was trying to see a date on there, but I don't see one. But these are Studio G, so I think that's Michael's maybe. And I haven't been to Michael's in a long time. So those can go. I have this. I don't know where I got it, but I don't know that I've ever used them. It says it's an adhesive sheet. I guess you use it for die cuts. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'll keep those. I know I'm getting rid of that. These can go. The only ones I'm going to keep is probably these close to my heart ones. I don't know about that. I got all these with the intentions that I could use them to bulk up a scrapbook. If I needed foam for something, I could just cut them up. Maybe I will keep them. Those can go. These can go. The super glue can go. It don't even work anymore. I don't even remember what this was. Maybe putty for something. This tape runner can go. It was a free gift from scrapbook.com, and I will not be buying refills. This can go. It doesn't even have a thing to pop it off. These are my daubers that I had to walk up from Pip. So I'll leave those in there so he can't get his little paws on them. Okay, that glue looks like it's still good. I don't usually use glue sticks, but my kids do sometimes for projects. Yeah, that one's dried up. It can definitely go. I have this spray adhesive. Oh, there's our timer. And I'm done pretty much. So, okay, Pip, move. Okay. So that's our 10 minutes, and we got a lot accomplished in that 10 minutes. Let me grab my box. Here is my donation box. And, of course, like I said, I'll go through because not all of this is donate. Some of it's just trash. And, you know, you can totally have your trash bag and just throw your trash away as you go. I have a lot of stuff I'm going to be donating, so I'm just going to go back through it and sort it, because some things, if it's still like new and packaged, things like that, that's still good, I'm going to use for my giveaway whenever I reach 2,000 subscribers, and I'm not far away. I'm like 300, I think, away from reaching 2,000 subscribers. So, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Pip. And if you're new here, this is Pip. He's a little terror. He likes to steal craft items and watch craft videos. Ain't that right, Pip? Okay, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and with Pip. Say hi, Pip. Say hi. You gonna say hi? He's gonna ignore me. He's a brat for real. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Hit subscribe. I hope you will commit to that 10 minutes for your declutter, and that you will post over on my Facebook group your decluttering piles. Even if it's only a few things, I would love to see it. It's clearing it out and we're getting ready. And so until tomorrow, because it's going to be a video every day this month on decluttering or organizing. So I can't wait. You guys come back and hang out with me. Until next time, bye y'all.